Section 3 of GST Act talks about officers which are under this act. The government shall by notification appoint the following class of officers for the purpose of this act, for the GST Act, namely, this is in hierarchy. The first top is Principal Chief Commissioner of Central Tax or Principal Director or General of Central Tax. As you can see, Chief Commissioner and Director General. Then you will get Chief Commissioner, then Director General like that. Second is Chief Commissioner of Central Tax or Director General of Central Tax. Third, Principal Commissioner of Central Tax or Principal Additional Director General of Central Tax. Next, Commissioner of Central Tax or Additional Director General of Central Tax. Additional Commissioner of Central Tax or Additional Director of Central Tax. Joint Commissioner of Central Tax or Joint Director of Central Tax, Deputy Commissioner of Central Tax or Deputy Director of Central Tax, Assistant Commissioner of Central Tax or Assistant Director of Central Tax, and any other class of officers as it may deem fit, provided that officers appointed under Central Excise Act 1944 shall be deemed to be officers appointed under the provisions of this Act. So, on the top of the hierarchy, you have Principal Chief Commissioner of Central Tax. Next is Chief Commissioner, Principal Commissioner. Principal is below Chief. Then we have Commissioner. After Commissioner, it is Additional. Then Joint, Deputy, Assistant. So, Principal Chief, Chief, Principal, Commissioner, Additional, Joint, Deputy, Assistant. And same with the directors, Principal Director, next Director, then Principal Additional Director, Principal Commissioner or Principal Additional Director, Additional Director, Additional Director, Additional Director General, and Additional Director, Joint Director, Deputy Director, Assistant Directors of Central Tax. If we sum it up, Principal Chief Commissioner of Central Tax or Director General, Principal Director General of Central Tax, Chief Commissioner of Central Tax or Principal or Director General of Central Tax, Principal Commissioner of Central Tax or Principal Additional Directors, say General of Central Tax, Commissioner of Central Tax or Additional Director General of Central Tax, Additional Commissioner of Central Tax or Additional uh, Director of Central Tax, Joint Commissioner of Central Tax or Joint Directors of Central Tax, Deputy Commissioner of Central Tax or Deputy Director of General Tax, Assistant Commissioner of Central Tax or Assistant Director General of Central Tax, any other class of officers as it may deem fit.